YouTube is the #1 platform to share your products through online. How can I publish videos on YouTube? Go to YouTube website and log in with your Gmail and upload the videos. Why should I market through YouTube? YouTube is the #1 page rank in Google search. What are the ideas can I share in YouTube? Your products, services, talents and tutorials. Products. Whatever the products which like to sell through online. Just make a videos and publish in YouTube. Services. If you are a tutor or auditor, you can make videos about your skills and upload in YouTube and provide content details in itself. Talents. Example, a girl or boy who is having extraordinary talents in singing or dancing. The question is where he or she to contact clients to give away their talents for money. Once you upload videos about your skills on singing or dance, the world will see your talents and to contact you directly. So there is no need to search for your clients. The clients will search the skilled persons like you through YouTube like you and contact them. Tutorials. Those who are experts in online tutorials. They can make videos about sample lessons and upload on YouTube with your contact details. Conclusion. I want to support uneducated people who are having extraordinary talents and they don't have knowledge to upload the videos on YouTube. You can send your videos to my email address, talentprofessor@gmail.com, so that we will upload your videos on behalf of you. Phone number 95431981132.